So if I were to actually go ahead and then access out the other person's computer, let's say for example right here, the streaming happens out in a certain way. So let's say for example, if the other person accepts, then you can see certain quality level over here in the streaming. If you want to go ahead and change that out, then you can actually go around over here onto display, and here you can see that you can set the quality. Right now it's set to best, meaning you get a high quality streaming right here whenever you go ahead right here, but that can be a bit slow. If you want to go ahead and then maybe get more speed instead of the quality, then you can actually go around over here, go for balance, which is less quality but a bit more speed. And if you want maximum, let's say for example responsiveness, you can simply go around and choose speed right here, just like this. You don't see much of the changes, but it becomes more responsive, especially when you have a lower speed of internet connection. You'll be able to see that there are some artifacts right here, but it becomes instant right here, just like this. So you can see that it is quite responsive right here, and you do see some artifacts because I chose speed right there, but that is why you get more responsiveness right here. So that is how you can go ahead and adjust the display quality as you like right here, and even let AnyDesk detect the connection speed and adjust accordingly right here, according to how you want. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.